Hi guys, my name is Simran. Welcome back to my channel. It's incredible. Today I did this soft glam look and this is really very easy look. You also can try this look and to know how I did this look, please continue watching. Starting off with aloe vera gel, I'm going to take it on my palm and I'm going to apply it all over my face and massage it into my skin. Next, I'm going to apply the primer and close off my pores. I don't have that much pores, but still it's a necessary step. Taking a foundation, I'm going to take it on the back of my hand and apply it all over my face. And then by taking a beauty sponge, I'm going to just blend it all. You don't have to drag it, you have to dab it. Also your neck. After blending, I did my brows and now I'm going to apply the concealer and clean my brows first and then take that concealer on my eyelids and as well as the highlighting points. Again, by taking the damp beauty sponge, I'm going to blend it properly. I'm going to push the concealer and all the product on the sponge into my hairline so that it doesn't defer your skin. Next, I'm going to take the setting powder, the pressed powder, and I'm going to just set all my face. Next, I'm going to quickly contour my face and just give a little shape. Also, I'm going to contour my nose. Next, I'm going to take a fluffy brush and apply the blush on my cheeks. Next, I'm going to highlight my face. By taking a makeup fixing spray, I'm going to spray it all over my face so that all the powders I've applied melts together. And I'm going to dry it with a palette. And then by taking the sponge, I'm going to just dab it all over my face. Next, I'm going to take the rose gold shade and directly apply it on my lids. And then by taking a small pencil brush, I'm going to pick the pink shade and I'm going to directly apply it on my crease and blend the rose gold shade. Properly, I'm going to blend it. And same I'm going to do it on my another eye. I'm going to pick the same pink shade and apply it on my lower lash line. And I'm going to pick the same rose gold shade and again apply in the inner corners and lower lash line. And I'm going to take the brown gel liner and I'm going to draw a wing. I'm not going to make it bold. I don't want it to look bold, that's why I picked the brown shade and I didn't pick the black shade. Next I'm going to take the black gel liner and apply it in the waterline, in the lower waterline as well as in the upper waterline. I'm going to apply the lashes on. Lastly, I'm going to apply the lipstick from Swiss Beauty. This is really a light pink shade. It's a peachy light shade. And yeah, we are done with our makeup. Alright guys, I'm done with my soft glam look and this is really very easy look. You all guys also can try this look. And yeah, I'll end this video here. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's incredible. See you all in the next video. Bye.